Hey everyone, welcome to Tania Talks. We are here in beautiful Vancouver. Look at this landscape. I am so excited for day one of Get Connected Vancouver. We are going to be doing some customer interviews, having some demos on books to tax, doing tips and tricks tomorrow. There's going to be so much stuff going on, and I cannot wait to keep all of you guys up to date on what is happening throughout the next 2 days. So I look forward to seeing you guys again soon, and I will chat with you guys shortly. Have a good one. We made it to the convention center here in Vancouver for day one of Get Connected. Let's go take a look and see what is going on over here. We have our registration desk. Who wouldn't love this view? We've got our exhibitor hall with our QuickBooks booth where I will be conducting ProFile and ProTax demos all day, and our wonderful tech theater. We're gonna have so much information going on for you guys. Look at all of the great vendors we have here at our conference. We've even brought the outdoors inside for some wonderful caffeination because we need to stay awake as we're learning over the next 2 days. I am here with Tania Hiltz, who is from Cloud Business Services. She is going to tell us a little bit about herself and her firm.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Tania Talks, and Tania here at Tania Talks. Anyway, we are a cloud-based firm. We have been around for a very, very long time. We're remote working. We were the 2018 and reigning Intuit Global Firm of the Future.
Amazing, amazing. And you still do some taxes. So what are you using for tax preparation?
Yes, we still do have taxes, and we use ProFile for tax preparation.
Wonderful.
Yep.
So tell me a couple of things why you have chosen to stay with ProFile. What are the things you like?
Well, first off, I know it. It makes sense. The flow makes logical sense to me.
Right.
I know where everything is. It's all we use. And we now do about 50 tax returns a year. We went from over 600 a year down to 50 and still always use profiles. You know, we've got the autofill your return. We've got the pulling NOAs. You know, it brings everything up. It makes things really, really easy. We can batch file, although I don't do that anymore with the volume.
Well, you guys have heard it straight from the horse's mouth. We have Tania, who is both doing bookkeeping and taxes using ProFile. And so we will see you at the next segment with another customer story soon. Have a great day.
Bye.
So I'm here with Winnie Sue. Tell us a little bit about what you guys do at your firm.
Our company name called Next Gen Accounting. We have 15 staff. We work with more than 250 small, medium-sized business in Lower Mainland and Fraser Valley, in BC here, or Greater Vancouver here. And we do most of the bookkeeping, we do some tax filings, and the majority we also do some advisory services for our client, but one client at a time, one connection at a time.
So I know that you are a ProFile customer. That's wonderful for us to know. What is it that you love about ProFile?
We just feel in one app. We can do T2s, we can do T21, 25, we can do T1, and also they can keep years of the backups. So we don't have to worry about it. And for the profiles, we found the price range just right and allowed us to do what we have to do to serve the clients. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much for spending time with us. It was great seeing you again. I hope you enjoy the rest of your conference.
But thank you for you helping us to convert our clients
from you're welcome.
Others to QuickBooks.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you
Winnie.
very much.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. So thanks, guys, for joining me today. Tell me a little bit about your firm.
So our firm is called Advanced Tax Services, in CPA firm located in Richmond. We're a team of 10. 10 staff members. That includes CPAs, accountants, bookkeepers, payroll specialists, audit specialists, along with any other support that you might need to take care of your taxes.
Awesome, amazing. And I hear that you guys are ProFile users.
Yes, we are.
So each of you can give me one or two things that you guys love about ProFile.
So my favorite thing about ProFile is the clarity that it gives you. Like, there's so many reports that, like the comparative tax summary, the other summary, the slip summary, there's so many summaries that really brings together the whole file, and I can sit with the client and discuss, like, just off one page, like especially the comparative tax summary. Okay, well, this is what happened this year, this is what happened last year. And then of course there's the letter that ProFile automatically produces. And so the combination of that, it makes reporting to the client really easy, and the clients love it.
Awesome. And what about you, Sammy?
He actually pretty much took whatever I was gonna say. But another thing I really like is that they have this new option, the tax planning for the future. So that's one thing I really like about that.
Thank you guys so much for joining. Enjoy the rest of the conference, and thanks
you.
for taking time to spend with me.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, everyone, and welcome back. I have Bobby with me. We're going to learn a little bit about him and his firm. So, Bobby, tell me about you and your practice.
Thank you so much for having me here, and thank you so much for this event. My firm name is Phoenix Accounting, and we are helping our clients, the small business and Canadian clients, for the bookkeeping, taxes, and our new service, which is fractional controller. And we are helping them for the closing and for budgeting, forecasting. We do everything.
Now, you're one of our, I think, kind of few ProTax users. What are a few things that you really enjoy about ProTax?
One of the best one is I can transfer the data from the client books to my tax software. And then I don't need to put everything, the data manually. It's very user-friendly, you know, it's not the same as the old-fashioned PDF, you need to fill the forms. The other one that I like is the audit part, that I can check if I did it accurately or not.
Awesome. Well,
Yeah.
I hope that you have a great rest of the conference.
Yeah,
thank you so much for joining
and
us.
also, before leaving,
Yeah.
I like your videos as well. And I recommend everyone to follow you on LinkedIn and watch your videos because you're doing so much effort, and I really appreciate that.
Y'all look at me, I'm blushing. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much, Bobby.
Thank you guys.
Have a great rest of the conference.
Thank you.